All right, we're gonna go for a ride in a really cool custom 1968 Camaro. I actually sold this car to the previous owner 11 years ago, and just took it on trade. Sold him another Porsche actually. But this car, he put 5,000 miles on it in 11 years, always kept in the garage. It's painted in Daytona Yellow. Highly detailed engine compartment, looks really nice. They smoothed the firewall and everything. It's got some Halibrand wheels on it. It's got the SS front and rear spoiler. Still got the flat hood, which actually I kind of like on this car. It's got Talbot mirrors, but the 327 is built really nice. It's got roller rockers and stuff. This car really goes. And it's comfortable too. It's got a total 80s vibe interior in it. Yeah, it's kind of like a cloth velour, you know, which, hey, maybe you're a product of the 80s. You just leave it that way. Or you can put a, you know, black vinyl interior in it if you want it to be a little bit more simple. But the car looks really good with the spoilers and the Halibrands on it. And it's got disc brakes up front, but non-power. It's got a pretty big cam in it, so we probably went with the non-power so you don't lose any vacuum. But it's got a 10-bolt rear end with 373 gears in it. Just lots of fun to drive. We'll go up here, we'll take some more pictures and video of it, show you some more of it. All right, check out this really cool 1968 Camaro Coupe. I know everybody's gonna say, that's not a 68, that's a 67. It doesn't have any marker lights, it's got wing windows. Well, guess what? It's a 68, and the guy that built the car must have wanted a 68 with 67 stuff on it, I guess, you know? Actually, those vent windows are kind of cool because they do throw around a little air, especially if you don't have air conditioning in the car. So that was a choice of theirs, but you know, you never know why people build cars and the way they build them. They do them the way they want. But it's got the front and rear spoilers on it, built 327 with a Muncie 4-speed, 373 rear end. It's got those Halibrands with the knockoff center caps. Good looking, early looking wheel, you know, something you would have seen back then. It's got Talbot mirrors on it. The paint and finish and everything is beautiful. This is an older paint job. I sold to the previous owner 11 years ago, and it didn't change a bit. I mean, he kept it in the garage. We put a fresh coat of wax on it, but this car was completely taken apart when it was painted. Every nut and bolt. Bare metal respray. Couple custom features on the dash. You know, they put the levers in there for the heat and everything. It's got a stereo built-in gauges. Headliner's in good shape. Like I said about the interior, you know, it's comfortable, it's velour. Maybe you like that sort of thing. It is totally custom, but it's something from the 80s. You could tell it was done 20 years ago. I don't hate it. It actually feels really good. But you could put a complete black vinyl interior in this car for probably $3 grand or less. But nice chrome, nice fit and finish, no rust. The bottom looks great. Just a really good, honest car that runs fantastic. Here's the power plant in the 68 Camaro. Like I said earlier, nicely built, 327. It's got camelback heads on it, polished intake manifold. It's got the ball mill valve covers, Holley carburetor. It's got dual master disc brakes, non-power. It's probably because of that big cam that's in it. It's got some coated hooker headers, competition headers. Just really, really clean under the hood. Proud to open it up and show your buddies or somebody at the Cars and Coffee. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Yeah, it's got a Mallory Ignition in there as well. Yeah, it sounds great. Walk around the back so you can hear it. You can hear that cam, man, knocking off every cylinder. Sounds good, man. Well, if you want to see this in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car, and got a few other Camaros here too. All right, thanks for watching.